Welcome to part 18 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Warn. Warn. The teacher will warn us if we run in the hallway. Say. Say. She will say, hello, when she sees her friend. Get. Get. I will get my books from the table. Strike. Strike. He can strike the ball with the bat. Demonstrate. Demonstrate. The teacher will demonstrate how to solve the math problem. Extend. Extend. He will extend his hand to help his friend. Let. Let. Let me know when you are ready to play. Survive. Survive. Animals need food and water to survive in the wild. Apply. Apply. I will apply glue to the paper. Handle. Handle. Be careful when you handle the fragile vase. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.